Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your level, hacky, and damage kit. This matters because core brain punishes slow DPS. Once done, approach the core spawn silently, place buffs, and keep a short tunnel between you and the boss. Make your first combo quick, open with a gap-close skill to land uninterrupted hits, then switch to sustained burst. You do this to break its defensive windows early, so maintain aggression while preserving a healing slot for sudden damage spikes. Once the core brain enters its damage phase, you must time abilities precisely. This is why you stagger cooldowns. Use a mobility skill to sidestep the telegraphed brain beams, then immediately apply burst skills during the brief stun window. Make sure to alternate hits so you always have an escape ready, and place traps or area attacks to deny repositioning. You do this because consistent pressure prevents its healing cycles and forces predictable patterns you can exploit. You close the fight by saving your strongest single-target skill for the final 20% health. This secures the kill before it triggers a rage heal. Once dead, loot fast and reposition because aggro can linger on respawn. If things go wrong, reset the encounter by kiting the core brain to the map edge, reapplying buffs, and adjusting skill timings. This buys you a predictable rhythm. This reset method is the only reliable way to correct mistimed rotations without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.